how to remove phone number from TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your phone number from TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to remove your phone number from TikTok, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open up TikTok. Then just come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Then tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then you want to go to settings and privacy. Then you want to navigate to account. Once you navigate to account, just go to account information from the top. Here you'll be able to see your phone number, and let's say I want to remove the phone number. I just need to tap on it. I'll have options to change it or unlink it. So if you want to change it, you can do that. If you want to unlink it, which we're learning in this video, to remove it, so just tap the unlink phone button. Now first of all, it'll ask you to confirm with your phone number or your verification code. So tap and continue to unlink. It's going to send the verification code to your mobile number here. So wait until you have received the verification code. Once the verification code has been detected by the TikTok app, it's going to automatically unlink your phone number from TikTok. That's it on how you can unlink your phone number from TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.